When it comes to getting traffic as an affiliate marketer, there's only two ways. There's free and there's paid. Now this video is a direct response to a question from Gil Baller. Is there any traffic app that you would recommend? Of course, this question was posted on a review video that I did, which is a traffic app that is sold over on Warrior Plus. There are tons of these over on Muncheye that you can see that are launched pretty much on a regular basis. For example, here on the 5th of May, you'll see Instant Traffic app. And then on the 6th of May, you'll see something called Lazy Traffic Sniper. These are just two more examples of the typical type of thing that is launched over on Warrior Plus and other networks. It's not really about Warrior Plus, but it is designed to give you a product that makes you think that there's some easy way or there's some push button traffic app that you can use to get traffic as an affiliate marketer. Again, there's only two ways. Paid traffic and free traffic, and that boils down to, do you have more time or do you have more money to get this traffic? Over at upviral.com, they have a great article here, and it talks about the affiliate marketing game and what aspects should you consider before selecting traffic. The things that I want to focus on here in this article are the niche or your target audience and the cost of the traffic source. Again, we're talking about the cost of the traffic source, time versus money. And that's typically where people fall into this thought process of free versus time and which one do you have more of. And most people have more time, or they just don't have the money they're willing to invest in traffic. And the simple matter of the fact is your time is typically worth more money than you think it is. So you need to really understand where traffic comes from. And to do that, let's look at a funnel from Funnelytics, and this is just a typical lead magnet funnel. So this is your opt-in here. This is where you get a lead magnet and you're trying to generate email opt-ins to put them on your email list, and then they can download your report, and then you can send them on to other offers that you have in that same niche or that is directed at that target audience. If you come here to icons and you simply come to traffic, you'll see here some of the icons that they show you. Search, email, Google ads, banner ads, ad networks. Keep scrolling down here, you're going to see the more popular social medias, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, as well as things like Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat. Now typically these social media traffic sources are considered free or organic, or people want to talk about building your profile and building an audience and getting free leads, generating buzz around the fact of the content that you put out. And that's the key. The content that you have to put out on this is going to take the bulk of your time. And again, you have to generate that content, and it has to be very targeted towards your audience. And even though there are promises of push button apps and traffic apps that will do this for you, the simple matter of the fact is there are apps out there that will post to social media on your behalf, auto post. But the thing is, you have to remember and you have to understand is you still have to create the content. And the content has to be created specifically for this type of social media, because there's different rules, regulations, there's different formattings, and there's just different attention spans and different forms of content that resonate with your target audience across all these forms of social media. So back to upviral.com and the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing. And from this list of categories, I'd like to focus here on native ads, search traffic, and social traffic. Of course, you pretty much understand search traffic and social traffic. That's Google. And of course, there's Bing and Yahoo and other search engines like that. But typically, we're talking about Google, and we're talking about getting our content ranked on the first page of Google, typically in the form of a blog post or our website. This could also be YouTube videos, depending on the type of content and whether or not Google thinks that a video answers the search query better than a piece of written content. Again, these are the types of things that you need to understand when you're talking about getting traffic to your affiliate marketing offers. And again, that's why there is no push button app or traffic app, whatever you want to call it. This is about you as a marketer creating content that solves a real problem for a real person. But what about native ads? What exactly are they? These are the type of ads that resemble the look and feel of whatever context they're displayed in. Think of a chameleon. These non-intrusive ads blend to a web page, making them look less ad-like. Of course, you may not know or never heard of native ads, but if you haven't, over at Brax.io, they have the ultimate list of native ads. And these are companies that specifically provide these native ads on the internet. And you can see here, Taboola is a great example, and their biggest ad publishers are Bloomberg, USA Today, NBC, Fox News, and Business Insider. And I'm sure you've been on these websites and you've seen these sponsored ads. They're little pictures typically that look just like the news stories, and they'll say sponsored, and it'll say sponsored on the actual link. But then when you click it, it actually takes you to a sponsored piece of content, which is typically an affiliate marketing offer or a blog or website that the marketer has paid to take you over to read their content. Again, even with native ads, now you're purchasing the ads, but you still need content to drive people from your actual sponsored ad that is posted, just like it said here in the article, on sites like Bloomberg, USA Today, NBC, Fox News, and Business Insider. Of course, there's other providers, Outbrain, Rev Content, Content.ad, and more that you see here, as well as ads that target German-speaking audiences, US markets, Japanese audiences, many more that you see right there. But also there are multi-format ad networks that promote native ads, to include Google Ads, which is native ads that are sponsored by Google that you can use, again, if you have more money than time. But again, you're still going to have to spend the time to learn how to use these native ads and to create the content that is the bridge between the native ad and the actual affiliate offer that you're trying to offer up or get people to click on and purchase so you can earn an affiliate commission. So this is the typical funnel that you would be using as an affiliate marketer. And of course, your target audience is looking for your content. In this case, your content is on YouTube. They land on your opt-in page, you add them to your email list, then you send them to more content and offers or more YouTube videos, as well as that all links back to the main affiliate offer, where the goal is to get your target audience to land. And again, click make a purchase and you get a commission. So this is how you get traffic to your affiliate marketing offers. And the simple answer to the question from Gil and to everyone else is there is no such thing. So therefore, I do not recommend any traffic app that you see for sale, because traffic apps don't exist. There are products and software that help you track your traffic, that help you monitor and manage your traffic, as well as report on the actual number of clicks, the number of sales, and your commissions, so you can see it all inside of one dashboard. But those products don't offer you instant buyer traffic. They don't offer you any type of instant anything. They just give you a real piece of software that lets you be able to put all your data in one place and actually get real reports that can help you as you grow and build your online business using affiliate marketing. Of course, if you'd like to know my #1 recommended strategy for getting traffic to your affiliate offers, go ahead, click on the video you see on the screen right now. I'll see you in that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.